everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am starting a new series on my channel. This is another series of Disney princess slash queens inspired looks. And if you couldn't tell, today I am doing Elsa from Frozen and Frozen 2. This whole month is going to be dedicated to different looks. So Anna, Elsa, Tiana, Belle, basically a bunch of princesses that I didn't do when I did my first Disney bounding lookbook. A lot of people really responded to it well on Instagram. They wanted to see more. They wanted to see how many princesses I could do, and I'm gonna try and hit them all. I'm gonna try and do the ones that aren't official Disney princesses, like Kidda and Ellery, and yeah, Giselle from Enchanted is gonna be one of the videos. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you subscribe and stick around to see it all, and let's get started. So I already have my base done. So the first color we are going to use for this look is the Sugar Pill Home Sweet Home Shadow. It's like this really light powder blue. I'm just putting this on a big fluffy brush, and this is gonna act as our transition color. So we're gonna go right on the upper crease with this. I kind of do my crease in two parts. I do like an upper crease sort of thing that almost touches my eyebrow, and then I do a lower one that's actually like in the socket. So we're gonna see how this works. I felt just like super creative when I made this plan for all these videos that I am doing. So I was like, I'm gonna follow through, you know. Now is the time to get my creative juices flowing. I've been painting, I've been getting ready for Halloween, so very exciting times. The serotonin is flowing because the cold weather is coming. Now that we have that color down, I'm going into the ColourPop Mar palette, and I'm going into this color here, which is El Rey, which is just like a dark cobalty blue. And this is gonna go in our lower crease as our like definition color. So I think these two will blend together really well, just because they are obviously within the same color family. But this blue actually blends really well from ColourPop. It's not the most pigmented for like if you want to do a full blue lid, but crease wise it is actually really good for blending. With that blue laid down, I am going back into my eye base, and we are going to cut the crease. I want this to be really smooth, so we're gonna try and be as neat as possible here. I like using these little brushes that kind of have the rounded top because they just flow with your crease so nicely. And with the base, it provides a lot more coverage if you just use a brush to cut it rather than like your finger or a doe foot applicator, but really whatever works for you. I'm going into this Makeup Revolution Passion for Color palette, and I'm going in with the icy blue color here. It's kind of like a medium blue, and I'm just gonna pack this on the lid. And it doesn't have to be perfectly pigmented for this look. I actually want it to be a little more sheer so that the white comes through from the base, just so there's a lot of difference between the crease and my lid. And then to accentuate that crease, I'm going to go in with a white liner. I am going to go in with this gray eyeliner pencil from CoverGirl, and we are going to just line our eyelids with this. I didn't want to do like a big wing because I don't want to cover up the blue, but I do need a little bit of definition here, and just to hide the half lash band that I'm going to be putting on. Now I'm going to use the Colossal Big Shot mascara. For my lashes, like I said, I'm only doing a half lash, so I'm going in with the Ardell 174s. These are the natural ones. They are just really little. and they make for a good little accent if you're doing a kind of minimal eyeliner look like I'm doing today. So I did my little contouring, and Juniper is out here saying hello. So since this is an Elsa inspired look, I am going to do a pinky blush on my cheeks and also a little bit on the tip of my nose, just because I want to look a little bit cold. Like I've been building my ice castle. So yeah, just a little dot of blush on the tip of the nose. It's a game changer. I see a lot of people doing it. I think it's a fantastic idea. Okay, and now we're gonna highlight. I'm gonna go into my Aurora palette here. Oh, my Eclipse highlighter is all smashed again. But I'm gonna go into Orion because it is blue. And we're gonna highlight Cupid's bow, the cheeks, of course, the tip of the nose just a bit, and right above the eyebrow. Step for the makeup is the lips, so I'm going to line with Dolly Pink from NYX. Going in with Glamour of Punk from MAC. So this is my finished Elsa inspired look. Ruger is here for supervision of this outro. If you guys enjoyed this look, make sure you subscribe because I have a whole bunch more Disney Princess and Queens look coming up. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.